Today, we're going to demonstrate how to do a deep clean on a 5 or 6 pack of 10,000 or 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. First thing you want to do is remove this lower panel. Just pull from the bottom and it should pop off for you. Next thing you want to do is remove the air filter. Now this air filter is clean right now, so it doesn't need to be cleaned. But if it was dirty, you would just take your hose, run the water over the panel, and brush the dirt off of it. Next thing you need to do is remove the 2 screws that are holding the front panel onto the case. Next thing you want to do is you need to push in on the side of the air conditioner. What this will do is this will unclip it from the front panel. So I'm going to do that again. You push this in and it'll unclip it. Once that's unclipped, you do the same on the other side. Then pick the panel up from the top of the case. And the next thing you want to do is you want to remove the display panel and the inner control board. From there you want to take off this cover. Now you can see the display board and inner PCB board. Now what you want to do is unplug the control board from the panel, from the unit. Just simply unplug it, and now you can set this off to the side. The next step is to remove the outer case. And to remove the outer case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws that we need to remove. You can then remove the outer shell. Now that we have the air conditioner exposed, you can use some kind of a cleaner. We are going to use a coil cleaner because we have access to it. At home, you can use something like a non-corrosive cleaner, like a Simple Green or something. And what you're going to do is you're going to spray the coil and let that soak. With this coil cleaner, this is going to end up foaming up and it's going to clean the coils. Like I said, you can do the same thing with a Simple Green or something like that. And you can also take a light brush to help knock the dirt off. You want to do the same on the rear. Take your coil cleaner or your Simple Green. You can even use some kind of a dish soap, something that's non-corrosive. At this point, you can also take a look at your fan blade, see how dirty your fan blade is. You can also clean, and depending on how dirty the bottom plate is, you want to clean that too. So you can spray all this down, being mindful of any electrical connections. You want to make sure that you do not spray anything on any electrical connection. A little bit on the motor is not going to hurt anything. That is fine. That is waterproof. That's not going to be a problem. Something else you can do is take this top piece of styrofoam off to gain access to your hamster wheel. Again, you can spray cleaner on here, let it soak, and then after it soaks in, you're going to take your hose and your rag and really give this all a nice cleaning. You want to get everything out of the inside of here, and everywhere else. So you can also take a rag, get all this nice and clean on the inside of here. Again, something non-abrasive. You don't want to use something that's going to eat away at the styrofoam. So Simple Green is a really good solution for this. Next, we're going to take our hose. We want to clean the coils. Your best bet is to clean the coils from the inside out. Again, be very mindful of anything electrical. You do not want to be spraying water directly into that box. go ahead and spray this down. Come on the outside and spray down the coil from the outside. Always going down, do not push dirt back into the coil. So get rid of all your soap on there. And the same on the back coil. Go ahead and tilt the air conditioner over. Be careful not to let it fall. Then you can also take your hose, clean all the dirt out of the base pan. Everything that you got in there. Go ahead and clean the styrofoam out. All next to the compressor. There's nothing in here you can hurt. Everything's protected. Essentially, that is how you're going to clean the window air conditioner. You're able to access your indoor blower wheel, your outdoor blower wheel, hose down the coils inside and out, clean all the muck and weeds and everything, leaves out of the inside of the pan. And now you can let it dry. Right now we're going to go ahead and assemble it for the video. First thing we're going to do is replace the styrofoam box. That just fits right back on where it came from. I decided to replace the case. Now we have successfully cleaned our 5 and 6 pack 10 and 12,000 air conditioners.